welcome to Rhonda Said. I am Rhonda. I love saying things. Welcome to my channel. Hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe. Ring the bell down below. I'd appreciate it. Today I'm getting ready to go see a burlesque show with the very famous Dita Von Teese. And she is a burlesque performer and she's very famous. She was married to Marilyn Manson at one point. And she is a goddess among women. She is really just beautiful. And I can't wait to see her dance around in shimmery, diamondy things. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'm going with a girlfriend of mine. And we've been looking forward to it for a very long time. My hair is driving me crazy. But that's okay. My hair often drives me crazy. I'm going to be using... I hate the cover of this palette. I hate this picture so very much. But I love this palette. It's cremated by Jeffree Star. And I've got my base. I've got my blush. I've got my bronzer. I've got my brows on. I am ready to go. So I'm going to do an eye look. A sexy, simple, kind of shimmery, beautiful look with the cremated palette, which is like probably the palette that I use the most by Jeffree Star, because I've been thinking about my Jeffree Star palettes and I've got a lot of them. I wish I had the wedding. I still had the wedding one because it's really good, but this really cool tone masterpiece is just awesome. And look how much I've used of it. I've used a lot of it. So let's get in here. Let me stop talking about what I'm going to do and just do the damn thing. So I'm going to start with either Embalmed, which is got shimmery, kind of glittery little bits to it, or Life Insurance. It looks like I use Life Insurance the most to start with, and it's a matte. So that's what I'll do here. I'm going real easy because it's very pigmented. Because I'm going to do like a silvery gray look. I was going to try to do classic pinup, but I wear glasses, so that's kind of, can't see everything that I get to do when I wear my glasses. You all just see the beautiful looks as I do them, but glasses obscure a lot of my looks. But this is just a beautiful gray wash to get started. I'm going to blend that out already with my little fluffy blending brush because it's a little high on this side. It's much better. Much better. You ever watch Drag Race? You ever watch Drag Race UK? There's a drag queen called Bag of Chips and she goes, much better. Yeah, I know, I'm the only one. If you like Drag Race, put a little star down below or tell me that you love Drag Race, because I love drag queens. And hence burlesque, you know, it's like akin to drag queens. A lot of drag queens like to do burlesque. It's beautiful like that. So now I've got to decide where I want to go from here. I'm definitely going to take Diamond Dashes and put it on my lid for sure. But I've got these other dark shimmers that I can use, and I really love Pallbearer here. Let me swatch it for you. Look at that. That's so beautiful. Oh yeah, I'm enjoying putting it on with my finger. I'm just leaving like a little shimmery moment. Let me do that with the other side. Because I could do a smoky look, but I don't want it to be too heavy. I don't want it to be too heavy. And you see that shimmer? It's real subtle. Because I didn't go ham with it. I think I need to do some more of it though. Just going really beautifully on with my finger. Because with the fingertip, you get a lot more of the shimmer transference. Is that the magic word, shimmer transference? Shimmer transference on my eye. It's just a beautiful shimmer. I'm loving it. I'm loving that so hard. But I'm going to go into Angel of Death, which I love. I go into it a lot. With a little, to do like a little outside depth. I'm using all these fancy technical terms. I'm going to go in with this little brush here. It's this little flattish kind of brush. This little pop, real soft. And blend it out. But I went in real soft just to give it, so I don't want a big heavy eye look. I'm trying to be as delicate as I can using a black shimmery eyeshadow. This is where the artistry comes in. Not that I'm the greatest makeup artist. I am a makeup enthusiast. I've had no formal training. I mean, my mom taught me stuff when I was young because she was a Mary Kay makeup lady, and she would have, I'm going to go back into Paul Bearer. Really put that in the crease because it's so shimmery and delicious. I'm going to take a blending brush at the end and blend it all out. And I'm going to wipe off my fingertips so I can go into Diamond Dashes. And put it on my lid. It's getting a little hard pan. I'm just going to scrape it a little bit with my fingertip. Now it's coming out. That looks beautiful. I'm really trying to just go for silver, shimmery, beautiful. Let's blend that dark outer corner. Just soften it up as much as possible. Because I'm still going to put black eyeliner on, like I always do. Because I'm the queen of the black eyeliner. That looks really good. My blush looks so pale with all this drama. I'm going to have to do a red lip just to set things off. And this is a House Labs old formula of liquid eyeliner, which I love. You can still get it on Amazon for cheap. Looks so good. That looks great. I wish I had the patience to put fake lashes on because that would really bring it to life. But instead, I will use the huge mascara from Stila, which is $7 in the Boxy pop-up. Or it was last time I was there. did get a little piece of mascara on my eyeshadow. That's fixable with a Q-tip. And I happen to have Q-tips right here. And it happened to be where the little dark spot goes with my eyeshadow. So that's cool. I'm really looking forward to tonight. It's a big night out. I'm not wearing this sweatshirt, I promise. Because the Louisville Palace is a nice vintage theater from like the 20s and 30s. And it's got beautiful ornate walls. And it's got a night sky painted with birds in the ceilings. It's really beautiful. That's exactly what I was wanting to do. Yay! I'm gonna have to warm up my cheeks though. They're just a little too pale. I need to go a little pinker. And I'm going into this middle shade, Total Betty from Trixie Mattel. And I'm going to have to blend that out with a duo fiber brush. I just needed some warmth. Now wait till I put on the liquid lip. Ooh, there's so many good reds I have. That's kind of a hot pink red. That's not going to work. I have poinsettia, which is like a metallic red. Let's see. It's a little old. I haven't ever used it. I think I want more red than that. More red than that. That's beautiful. This is a great red. And it's Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink number 20, which is Pioneer. Let's swatch it. Yeah, it's more of a deep red, which I'm totally into this year. It's deep reds. Get that off the back of them, because these are long-lasting colors. And I don't want to walk around with a big red swatch on the back of my hand while everybody's looking all fancy and cool. And this is a blue red, which means blue is the undercolor to it. And I can't wear an orangey red because it's too warm. I'm more cool toned. I'm more of a neutral, cool tone person than I am a warm person. Because red is not always just a warm color. Looks like it's time for a Q-tip. We love the Q-tips. Pro tip is a Q-tip. It looks good. I feel ready for a night on the town. I feel glamorous. I feel pretty. And it's all thanks to Jeffree Star's cremated palette. Have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.